that. Hit me one time, hit me two times.
Too low to the mall, with a couple capos and 100 fucking dimes. Color slaughter gang, you get your shit popped. Draco with a drum, the bitch ain't never go stop. Be on that line.
Yo, what's up, YouTube? Y'all know who it is. 84 Cuddy, aka Built on a Budget Junior. Yep, that's right. Hey, man, I hope y'all doing alright today. Guess what, man? Man, we got some good news out here today. Yes, sir. Man, guess what y'all did? Y'all got us monetized. Yes, sir. Monetized out here, man. For real. Man, I appreciate y'all, man. We could not do it without y'all. For real. Hey, y'all did it. Yup, y'all did it. Yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for real, man. Shout out to y'all, man. Pat yourselves on the back. For real, man. Hey, it's a celebration. For real, man. Hey, man, but check this out, man. Another thing I came for is, man, y'all remember when I went to Run to the Sun, right? Well, if not, the car just shut off, like, it ran out of gas. It just stopped getting gas or whatever it did. But, so what happened was, man, a bunch of cars passed me by. We on the side of the road. A bunch of cars passed me by. A couple old schools passed me by. They going to the show. They knowing I'm going to the show. I'm in an old school. Y'all know I drove a Sparrow. Hey, but they passed me by. So just so happened, man, God sent this veteran, this Army veteran. Shout out to our vets. Hey, he stopped, not knowing us from a slice of bread. Man, gave us a hand, took me to the gas station, got some gas. I put like $5 in the little 2-gallon can, right? So I put the $5 in the tank when I got back. Car started right up. So then me and my cousin, we went down the road to the gas station. Cool. Got to the gas station, pumped $7. How? Damn, something, man, right? So that mean I ain't even been out of gas to even begin with, right? That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. It makes sense to me. I couldn't been out of gas. Shoot. But anyway, we got gas. We went to the show. After the show, man, we were riding. That's when I went live. We were riding, but I heard my car acting funny. But I thought I was tripping because I was on the passenger side. You know, shit. Most of us never be on the passenger side of our car, so maybe it sounded different on the passenger side than the driver's side. You know, so like we got in the parking lot, and when we stopped, I smelled fuel. Shit, I'm like, dang. The fuel smell was strong, so I'm thinking like maybe because when I was pumping the gas, when it overfilled, it shot out. So I'm thinking, alright, maybe it's seeping through the gas cap or whatever like that. Looking under the car, went in the back, so I had some gas in the trunk that I put in the can. I refilled the can just in case. We had to make it back home, man. We were 2.5 hours away. So what's up, Richard, bro? So then we pumped the gas. I forgot what I was saying. What was I saying, y'all? Oh, nah, I remember what I was saying. But nah, we smelled the gas. I checked the can. But then we saw a leak in the front part of the car. Back the car up. I touched the spot. It smelled like gas or whatever like that. Cool. Then I realized that I saw gas coming out of the exhaust on the driver's side, coming out of the header, right at the tip of the header, well, the bottom of the header. You know what I mean? Cause I don't have my exhaust welded yet, so it was seeping through the crack where it meets the pipe at the 90 degree. Yeah, but so yeah, boom. So then I was live when that was happening, and then Tulu TV, shout out Tulu TV. He said that actually happened to him before, and his actually hydro locked on him. So I'm thinking hydro lock, well, I don't need that type of problem, you know what I mean? 2.5 hours away from home, I already got a gas leak. That's already scary, cause what if I'm riding and somebody throw out a cigarette butt or whatever, you know what I mean? Man, anything can happen. I can scrape the bottom of the road and start, hey, up in flame. But we made it back home. You know, you can't kill no LS. Sparrow made it back home. You know what I mean? So here we are, trying to figure it out. So let me show y'all what I'm looking at. Y'all watch. Stay locked. So y'all see this part right here, right? Man, this right here, man. All this right here was fuel leaking down, man, out the exhaust, man. Like, golly. Yep, and it ran all the way back. It ran down and it ran all the way back, man. For real. Yep. Still smell like gas under here. Let's get back to the top though. Alright, y'all. So what I did was, got my dang one handy dandy reader. Y'all see it. And I do have a code. P0300. Random multiple cylinder misfire detected. I wish it told me on which cylinder, but hey, we know we on the driver's side, right? Cool. So alright. So I came out here, I took my spark plug wires off, as y'all see. Don't got no spark plug wires. I still got 3 spark plugs in it. I took one out. And this is what it looks like. Now don't ask me what cylinder, cause man, I do not know how to count cylinders. Let me show y'all how I count cylinders. I go driver side. I say 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. And then I go passenger side. 1, 2, 3, 4. I still counted 8 cylinders. You count them how you count them. You understand them how you understand them. I don't know that this can. I don't know what cylinder this is for real. I could research it if I wanted to learn it though, but it don't matter to me because I'm working on it. So listen, 1, 2, 3, 4. Talk to me. That's how I ate. But somebody help me understand it for real though. But if I really want to know, I get it. I don't really care, you know what I mean? It don't really matter. But yeah, man, that's how the spark plug had looked coming out of my cylinder, my count. 1, 2, 3. I took this out of my 3rd cylinder, off of my count. All right. So what we gonna do is, man, we gonna remove the rest of the spark plug and see how they look. Let's get it. Alright, y'all. Hey, one thing on these spark plugs too, right? I never changed them before, ever. I drove the truck that this engine came out. I drove the truck for about 7+ years. Never did a tune-up. Never changed spark plugs or wires. You know what I mean? I changed the regular oil and transmission. You know what I mean? Filters and fluids and stuff like that, but I never did a tune-up. And the reason why was I couldn't reach that when it was in the truck. I couldn't reach that cylinder, well, whichever cylinder that is, the one on the passenger side, man. It was too tight, so I didn't want to change none. If I couldn't change all, you know what I mean? If I couldn't change all, I ain't gonna change none of them. I don't know if I say that right the first time, that's why I repeat it. But yeah, let's get the spark plug out. I already broke them loose, right? Cause like I said, it was in there so long. I took my breaker bar and a 5/8. Let me see if I can get y'all right. Y'all see the 5/8 socket? I broke it loose. It's already broke loose, so we can just take them out now. All right. just to see how the rest of them look.
I'm riding down I-95.
Get left, y'all. Cut y'all back on once I get it up. Alright, y'all, we got the last one up. Well, at least the last one on this side. Yeah, man, it look bad, dog. Yep. Time to change anyway. Sure was. Yup, man, y'all look at the dang on spark plug wires though. So true, I just got the new ones. Oh, you should have seen how I looked last year. But now I'm clean, look at me. But now I'm clean, look at me. Spark plug wires look bad. They old too though. Like I said, I never changed any of them. But I want to see how them spark plugs that look. I don't see none of them that's wet though. They look bad. As far as wet, I don't know. So yeah. But yeah, man, shoot, man, I just wanted to check those spark plugs right quick on this driver side. See how they look before I move on to the next thing, man. You know what I mean? Hey, this Project Sparrow, man. We gotta get Sparrow back right. He ain't feeling good right now. Hey, but he'll still move. Hey, I'm gonna do some more research and see what my next move gonna be. I don't know how much parts of I'm gonna have to break this down into, man. But however much parts it take to get Sparrow right, man. But man, I appreciate y'all, man. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. Turn on all post notification bells, man. Hey, we monetize now, man. Hey, it's go time. I wonder who next. Let me see who next. Y'all know who it is, man. 84 Cuddy, man. Built on the budget, Junior. Hey, hope y'all having a good day, man. Enjoy the rest of y'all evening, man. We out.
No exclamation mark. Sitting back on 17th and Lottie Block. The block is hot, but it never made our money stop. I'm from the hood, showing up. The block was tough. We was trying to live while the cops is watching us. We chasing.